What if I told you that the simple flapping of a butterfly's wings could cause crazy, unpredictable changes in the weather?
That sounds fake.
It does sound fake, and it's highly unlikely, but trust me, it is true. This idea is commonly known as the butterfly effect. It's the idea that teeny tiny changes can cause huge, humongous outcomes.
So one tiny thing goes wrong, and now everything's cooked.
Exactly. And this happens in real life more than you think. One small delay on a highway can turn into a full-blown traffic jam. A tiny typo in a line of code can crash an entire system. And one post going viral can change someone's entire life overnight. Here's the part that most people don't expect. This isn't just a saying or a coincidence. There's real math behind it. The same equations that describe systems like traffic, technology, and populations explain why small changes can explode so fast. And this branch of mathematics is called the chaos theory. The chaos theory studies systems that follow clear rules but still behave unpredictably because they're extremely sensitive to how they start. It focuses on deterministic systems. These are systems that follow exact mathematical rules.
So if there are rules, shouldn't the outcome be predictable?
You think so, but in chaotic systems, those rules interact in ways that amplify the tiny differences over time. So the system isn't random, it's just too sensitive to predict perfectly. Even when we know every equation, long-term prediction becomes impossible because no measurement is ever perfectly exact. This idea became famous in the 1960s when meteorologist Edward Lorenz was modeling weather patterns. He reran the same equations, just rounding one number just slightly, and got a completely different long-term forecast. That tiny change at the beginning is what caused the outcome to shift so dramatically. This matters because many real-world systems work the same way. Engineers use the chaos theory to design safer bridges, buildings, and transportation systems. In finance, even a tiny change like interest rates going up or down can affect prices, savings, and entire economies.
A small mistake can change the trajectory of your life.
That's the butterfly effect in action. The chaos theory reminds us that small things aren't actually small. Sometimes they change everything.